You know that feeling when you wake up exhausted even after 8 hours of sleep? Or when you start the day motivated, but by 2 p.m. you're just scrolling your phone, wondering where your energy went. Yeah, I have been there. But what if I told you there's a way to have high energy, ultra productive days every single day without feeling burnt out? Bestie, let's talk. The first game changer is not some fancy supplement or a 5 a.m. grind. It's simply wake up at the same time daily. Whether it is 7, 9, or whatever, your body loves routine. When you wake up at different times each day, your circadian rhythm gets confused. In short, your body has an internal clock called the circadian rhythm, which I learned very recently, which regulates your sleep wake cycle. Now, this clock basically strives on consistency. When you wake up at the same time every day, your body learns when to release hormones like cortisol, which helps you wake up, and melatonin, which helps you sleep. But now, when you wake up at different times each day, your body does not know what to expect. One day, it might be ready to wake up at 7 a.m., but then if you sleep until 10 a.m., your rhythm is gonna get disrupted, which will lead to grogginess, aka sleep inertia, energy dips during the day, and difficulty falling asleep at night, especially if your wake up time varies too much. So, what's the fix? Set a consistent wake up time every day, even on weekends. It might be hard at first, but after a couple of weeks, your body will naturally start waking up at the right time and you will feel more refreshed even without needing an alarm. Or number 2 is drink a glass of water immediately after waking up. Now imagine going 7 to 8 hours without a single sip of water. That is exactly what happens when you sleep. Your body naturally loses its fluids overnight through breathing, sweating, and your metabolic processes. This mild dehydration can lead to grogginess, sluggishness, and even headaches in the morning. So before you reach for coffee, chug a glass of water. It wakes up your organs, flushes out the toxins, and gets your metabolism going. Bonus points if you add some lemon for vitamin C boost. Number 3 is expose yourself to natural light. Now, sunlight helps reset your internal clock. It boosts your serotonin, which is the happy hormone, and tells your brain, hey, it's time to be awake. So, open your curtains or step outside for at least 10 minutes to feel the difference. Number 4 is stretch or do some light yoga. Your body has been stiff for hours, and moving a little first thing in the morning increases your blood circulation, making you feel more awake. Even just a 5-minute stretch or a few yoga poses can really boost your oxygen flow to improve your mood and give signals to your brain. On number 5 is plan your day with a to-do list. Have you ever felt exhausted just thinking about all the things you have to do? That is mental fatigue. So write down your top priorities the night before or in the morning. So having a plan is equal to less overthinking equals to more energy saved. On number 6 is eat protein-rich snacks. Sugary snacks give you a quick energy spike but leave you crashing so hard. Instead, opt for protein-packed snacks like boiled eggs, nuts, or even Greek yogurt to keep your blood sugar stable. On number 7 is take short walks during the day. If you're sitting all day, your energy stagnates. Like literally, a 5 to 10 minute walk increases circulation, refreshes your brain, and reduces your mental fatigue. Here's a pro tip: you can walk after meals to prevent energy crashes. On number 8 is incorporate deep breathing exercises. Most of us breathe shallowly when we are stressed, which reduces oxygen flow and makes us feel tired. So you can try the 4-7-8 breathing method. That is, you can inhale for 4 seconds, hold it for 7, and exhale for 8. It's like an instant refresh button for your brain. On number 9 is maintaining a good posture. Slouching isn't just bad for your back, it actually reduces your oxygen intake, which makes you feel sluggish. So sit up straight, shoulders relaxed, and take deep breaths. You'll immediately feel more alert. On number 10 is limit your caffeine intake. I love coffee too, but drinking it after 2 p.m. really messes with your sleep cycle, leaving you even more exhausted the next day. So you can try switching to green tea for a gentler caffeine boost. On number 11 is take a 10-minute power nap. I need that very much. Short naps, between 10 to 20 minutes reset your brain without making you feel groggy. If you feel that afternoon slump, you can set a timer, close your eyes, and let your brain recharge. On number 12 is do a quick cardio burst. If you're feeling sluggish, jump up and do 10 jumping jacks, squats, or even just dance around for a minute. This wakes up your nervous system and instantly gives you an energy spike. On number 13 is eat a balanced lunch. I mentioned about protein earlier, but this one is also very much important. So a heavy carb loaded lunch can really make you feel sleepy. Instead, aim for a balanced plate. Okay, even protein has to be there, fiber, healthy fats like grilled chicken, avocado, or quinoa, anything would do. Overall, it should be balanced and just don't eat too much of a thing at once. Point number 14, use the 20-20-20 rule. If you stare at screens all day, your eyes get tired, which can make you feel more exhausted. So every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds to prevent your eye strain. Point number 15, limit screen time before bed. I'm sure you've heard of this, but let me tell you why. So the blue light from your phone messes with melatonin, the sleep hormone. So put your phone away at least 1 hour before bed and try reading or even journaling instead. On number 16 is practice gratitude journaling. Before sleeping, jot down 3 things you are grateful for. This reduces stress, helps you sleep better, and makes you wake up in a positive mood. On number 17 is prepare for tomorrow. Set out your outfit, pack your bag, or make a to-do list for the next day. A clutter-free morning is equal to less stress, is equal to more energy. On number 18 is decluttering your environment. A messy space is equal to a messy mind. So set aside 10 minutes every weekend to clean your workspace or organize your home. On number 19 is schedule a digital detox. Take a break from social media for a few hours or even a whole day. You'll feel less mentally cluttered and way more energized. On number 20 is engage in a creative hobby. Hobbies refuel your brain, whether it's painting, writing, or even playing an instrument. Make time for something fun without pressure. Number 21 is spend time in nature. Nature has an instant calming effect. A simple walk in a park reduces stress hormones and recharges your energy. And last but not the least is the game-changing habit, say no more often. One of the biggest energy drainers is overcommitting. If something doesn't align with your priorities, say no without guilt. Protect your energy, it is gold. So are you ready to ditch the brain fog and reclaim your energy? Pick any 3 micro habits from this list and commit to them this week and you will see the difference. See you soon, besties. Bye-bye.